Evidently, it's been their plan. Let's get the focus off of justice for Holly and on this circus and sideshow, and that's why I'm asking people to get back to what this is truly about, and that is justice for Holly.
Right now, Holly Bobo's family is refusing to let the nursing student's case disappear like she did in April 2011 near her Parsons home.
As kidnapping and murder trials inch ever closer for the suspects in the case, Zach Adams and Jason Autry, the spotlight right now is on prosecutors who are accusing a local Nashville television station of using deception to get a prison interview with Autry. Fox 17's Mikayla Lewis explains the events leading to what Bobo's family says has become a legal circus.
Closure for Holly Bobo's family may come as soon as the start of 2015, but not without open emotional wounds.
You know, we've been living a nightmare for over 3 years, and that still continues every day, and the sooner the better.
Bobo's mother, Karen, and her family are used to the cameras focusing on them and Holly. But Wednesday attention is zooming in on one suspect.
Channel 5 News. That's for y'all.
As Jason Autry walked into the Decatur County courtroom, he threw a note intended for a WTVF reporter, but security took it instead.
I'm just actually appalled that that's even being allowed.
Circuit Court Judge Charles McGinley wouldn't allow prosecutors' request for a gag order on Autry because of the recent interview with WTVF. Telling the prosecution,
"You've got a pretty steep mountain to climb before I will gag."
But also telling the defense and Autry,
"I would urge you to maintain your constitutional right to silence. You've got attorneys to advise and assist you."
If it's a circus sideshow, it's not a circus we invited to town. It was a circus sideshow before we ever appeared. All we're trying to do is make sure the information related through public mediums is somewhat balanced. If you try my case in the media, I will defend him there.
One of Autry's attorneys, Fletcher Long, also says they have a right to meet with their client in confidentiality, but are unable to due to Riverbend maximum security's policies and thick glass that one attorney can't hear the client through. Long adds it could have prevented today's events.
Perhaps if we could meet with him from face to face and he could pass us papers personally, he wouldn't be dropping them on the ground outside the courthouse at court appearances.
The Bobos say they'll be there regardless at every court date.
My daughter deserves that, and we'll be here all the way.
And some who would rather not be here.
We'll be praying for the family.
In Decatur County, Mikayla Lewis, Fox 17 News.
Now, the judge of the case denied Jason Autry's defense team unrestricted access to their client. However, the judge is looking into some other options like hearing devices to make it easier for Autry and his attorneys to talk while Autry is behind bars.